Today we will read a new chapter of Unit 3, Things We Make and Do. So the things which we make and we do, that means there is a purpose. And the chapter is chapter 14, Our Clothes. So this is the first chapter under this unit. Here is an activity given for you. You have to color these clothes which we all generally wear. You all do wear these clothes and you have to color them according to your choice. These clothes are hanging from the clothesline. Now let us read. We wear clothes to cover our body and to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, wind and sun. We wear different kinds of clothes depending on the season, the place we live in, the work we do. So clothes we wear, it depends on mainly these three reasons. According to the season, we change our clothes. According to the place where we live in, according to that also we change our clothes. And the work we do. Supposing the work of a doctor is to treat patients. So a doctor always wears an apron, and doctor's apron is white in color. Whereas a policeman wears khaki dress. So according to the work we do, we wear different clothes. You all wear school uniform when you come to school, and the school uniform of different schools are different. Next topic, types of clothing. There are 5 main seasons in India: summer, winter, rainy season, spring and autumn. We wear different types of clothes too in different seasons. That I have told you, that we wear different types of clothes in different seasons. In winter, we prefer to wear woolen clothes. In summer, cotton clothes. In rainy season, we prefer to wear raincoat that is made of plastic or rubber to protect us from getting wet from rainwater. Next, in summer, we wear cotton or linen clothes. They keep our body cool. We get clothes and linen from plants. Some summer clothes are frock, t-shirt, skirt, pair of shorts. These are the cotton clothes and these are the summer clothes. And we feel nice to wear these dresses because we feel cool in wearing these clothes. Now turn the page. Here, next we will read about winter season and the clothes which we wear in winter. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. They keep our body warm. We also wear woolen clothes in places that are very cold, such as mountains. Such as the mountains. Some winter clothes are pullover, jacket, then pair of gloves, a cap, a muffler, woolen pants. These clothes protect us from cold. So we prefer to wear woolen clothes, and woolen clothes are made up of the wool of sheep or from the fur of other animals. Now we will read about that here. See, these are the woolen clothes which we wear in winters. Now here we will read about, we also wear clothes made from silk in winter. We get silk from silkworm. We get wool from sheep, camel, and rabbit hair is also used to make warm clothes. So few more things are there. From that we also get woolen clothes. Fur of sheep or the skin of camel and the wool from sheep These are used for making clothes and that protect us from cold. Next, sometimes the skin of some animals like cows, buffaloes, camels, snakes and crocodiles are also used to make clothes. This is called leather. So where from we get leather? We get leather from the skins of some animals. And what are those animals? Those animals are cows, buffaloes, camels, snakes and crocodiles. And this is called leather. And the things which we get, which we make out of the skin of these animals are belts, shoes, sandals, bags and sometimes even jackets are made from leather. So some people, they wear leather jacket to protect themselves from cold wind. We should not wear clothes made of leather or fur because animals have to be killed to get them. So what is said here, that we should wear woolen clothes. That means we get wool from sheep and we should wear clothes made of wool only. Next, in rainy season, we use things like raincoats, gumboots and umbrellas to protect us from the rain and keep us dry. These things are usually made of rubber and plastic. So you can see here, this raincoat is made of plastic and gumboots, generally gumboots are made of rubber, sometimes of plastic also. And umbrella is made of parachute clothes. Now come to this page.